Hey everyone! Did you know that traditional waxing can irritate sensitive skin, leaving it red and inflamed? Today, we're going to create a gentle DIY face wax that soothes instead of stings. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make a gentle DIY face wax specifically designed for sensitive skin, ensuring a smooth experience without the redness. If you've ever dreaded waxing because of the aftermath, you're in the right place. Now, let's talk about the problem. Many people with sensitive skin struggle with harsh waxing products that cause irritation and discomfort. You might have experienced that annoying redness or even worse, breakouts after a waxing session. It's frustrating, right? You just want to feel smooth and confident without the pain. So, let's address this common challenge and find a solution that works for you. Alright, let's get into it. We'll go through the ingredients you'll need for this gentle wax. You'll want things like beeswax, coconut oil, and a little bit of sugar. These ingredients are not only natural but also super soothing for your skin. Next, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to create the wax. It's really simple, just melt the beeswax and coconut oil together, stir in the sugar, and let it cool slightly. Trust me, this will be a game changer for your waxing routine. And don't worry, I'll share tips for applying it safely on your face to minimize irritation. Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Watch as we reveal the final product and demonstrate how to apply it for the best results. Look at that texture. It's creamy and smooth, perfect for a gentle application. I'll show you how to apply it in small sections, pulling in the direction of hair growth to minimize any discomfort. You'll see that waxing can be gentle and effective, no more painful sessions. To wrap up, we've learned how to make a soothing DIY face wax for sensitive skin that prevents redness and irritation, giving you a smoother and more comfortable experience. Say goodbye to that post-waxing redness. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other beauty DIYs and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback means a lot, and I can't wait to hear how your waxing